Welcome to Carly Tackle's Kiddie or Dog Pool Upgrade. It's that time of the year where you want to get out the pool to help your dogs or kids cool down. And they're a lot of fun to play with and don't take up much room. The problem is when you go to empty it, are you strong enough to lift up a full pool of water? Well, I'm not. So in this video, we are going to tackle a 5-minute upgrade that you can do to your dog or kitty pool to make the drainage a heck of a lot easier. You're going to need 3 parts. First, a 3/4 inch bulkhead fitting. Second, a 3/4 inch pipe to garden hose adapter. And last, a cap to screw on the end to keep the water in until you're ready to drain. The links for these products are in the video description. Step 1 is we need a hole saw that can drill a big enough hole into the side of the pool for the bulkhead adapter to go in. When determining your placement, you want the hole to be low enough that water drains, but you gotta be careful it's not too low where the curve in the pool could cause water to leak. So you want a nice flat surface. When drilling into plastic, a hot tip is to put the drill bit in reverse to give you a smoother cut in plastic. Before inserting the bulkhead into the hole, take a few seconds and clean out the plastic that might have been remaining around the hole just to make sure it's a nice smooth fitting and we're not giving any water a chance. The rubber ring goes on the inside. Slip the bulkhead through the hole and place on the nut. This nut is the opposite of which you would think to turn. Typically you go righty-tighty, but because this is double threaded, you're going to turn this to the left to tighten. Once you have your bulkhead fastened, it's time to work with the 3/4 inch adapter. One side is going to have a little bit coarser threads than the other. The coarser side is what's going to be inserted into the bulkhead. Slight interruption. I went looking for these products on Amazon and I couldn't find the exact ones I used, so I ordered 3 new products to test. So for the products that are linked in the video description, a little bit different rule set. Instead of inserting the coarse side into the bulkhead, you're going to do the thin thread side. Please do plumber's tape. I'm just doing this quickly to show you. And then the coarse side fits this cap nicely. So that's how you would install the fittings and products in the video description. I'm using some plumber's tape to go around the threads. You do need to pay attention in the direction you apply plumber's tape. If you put it on the opposite direction of which it turns, you could remove the plumber's tape as you're trying to screw in. I get confused sometimes and just have to go slow and then I get it. We're also going to apply plumber's tape to the other side. Now this is a little bit easier. If you're turning the cap left and right, you want to roll the plumber's tape left to right. When you tear it off, that last piece will lay in the direction you'll be turning versus the opposite direction. And then when the cap goes on, you will not remove it. Notice left to right. Now you're ready to place your pool and fill it with water. A few things to keep in mind. Make sure that your pool is at a higher ground level than where you want to drain the water. Gravity plays a part in this. You do not have to connect a hose to this if you don't want to. But if you would like to reduce the amount of water puddles left by this, you can, when you're ready, remove the cap and quickly add a hose and control the drainage of water. There you have it. Thanks for watching Carly Tackle's DIY tools and gadgets, tips and tricks. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified, please hit the bell.